Hi guys, let's see how to set a voice memo or your custom recording as a ringtone in iOS 26 iPhone. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just search voice memo and open it. Now what you have to do, once you are in voice memo, you have to record your song or your custom message, whatever you want to record. It should be less than 30 seconds. That is the prime requirement. Make sure it is less than 30 seconds. Now once you're satisfied, just tap on this tick mark and it has been recorded. Now click on these three dots and click on share. Now scroll down and now tap on use as ringtone. Okay, and that's it. That will be used as ringtone. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.